She doesn't want any. Good morning! Good morning! Happy Sabado!
What does Sabado mean?
Saturday. Happy Saturday! Where you going? Hoy! Hoy! Where you going? Oy, we're not leaving yet, Dave. You're not leaving yet. No, no, no. Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga ang sinasabi ko. Gusto na niyang umalis. Uy, hindi pa nga ikaw tapos kumain ng breakfast. Where's your breakfast? Hindi mo inubos. You wanna wear shoes? Hala! Ang galing! Let's go. Let's go to daddy. Go, go, go. Where's daddy? Later. We're not going out. Later. No. Oh no. Ang galing naman yung aking di. Okay, I'll do it. Sit down. Bum on the floor. Bum on the floor. Like that. Good girl. See? Did you finish your food, guys?
No.
Still working on it? Okay. Drink water. Go. So now what? Wow. Hello. Say hello to the guys. Say hello, I got shoes. Cute ni mo di, oy. Hello, di ka. Cute di anak ko di, oy. Smile din. Hey. Where's di? Where's di? Hello. I'll blow kiss to the guys. Good job. Sama na naman siya. Sama siya sa gymnastics ni ate. Last week sumama rin siya eh. Nagustuhan niya naman. Yes. Be good, okay?
Okay, Mama.
See you later, Ala. Didi. Alright. Naunahan mo na naman ako. Lagi mo ako nauunahan ha. Sa mga intro ko ha. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sabado. Is it gonna be a good day today? Yes, it will be. It's 9:54. Nakapag-ayos-ayos ako ng konti sa baba. Hugasan ko yung mga kailangan hugasan ng mga dishes. Gusto ko pa sanang magligpit pa ng bongga doon. Nasa ano na ako, guys? Wala pa ako sa packing mode, but preparing for the packing mode. Kasi once nag-packing mode na ako, nandun na ako. Ay, naku, ewan ko ba? Nagde-declutter ako ng mga toys. Kahapon at saka the other day, pasimple akong nagde-declutter ng mga toys. Kasi iniisip ko, ay, may mga toys na naman sa Pinas. Tapos pag uwi namin, iniisip ko yung kalat. So, ngayon pa lang, ginagawa ko na yun. What do you want? Hindi ko din alam kung bakit ko to ginagawa sa sarili ko. And then I have a lot of stuff just laying around because ayoko silang ligpitin muna kasi dadalhin ko sila. Eh wala pa nga ako sa packing mode. Like, itong mga to. Nandito pa sila. Pero kakahol ko lang yan kahapon. Usually, pinuput away ko na yan. But then again, dadalhin ko kasi most of the stuff na nandito. And then, today's gonna be busy. So, our weekend's gonna be busy actually. And hanggang ano na to, hanggang sa umalis na tayo. Kasi I will be in my packing mode next week. Siguro Monday magsisimula. Buti sana kung packing mode, packing lang. School holidays pa, so I have the kids. Alam nyo bang iniisip ko, ipuput away ko na yung mga Christmas decors ngayon. Pero sabi ko hindi, wag. I-leave mo yan for next year pagbalik mo na. Kasi kakaput up mo lang ng iyong Christmas decoration tapos ipuput away mo na. Alam mo yung mga maliliit na nandun sa cabinet. Parang sabi ko, ano ba to? Gusto ko nang iput away. Ang daming gustong gawin ng aking utak. Alam mo yung puno na eh. Puno na yung schedule mo. Punong-puno na. Pero gusto mo pang mag-add pa? Anong klaseng utak yan? Anyway, today was good. We woke up early. Indy wakes me up early every day. So kahit school holiday, matagal ako natutulog pero maaga kaming nagigising because Indy wants to wake up early. And then I did the laundry straight away, got Ayla ready for gymnastics. Now they're gone. Downstairs is good na. Again, nakapagligpit-ligpit na ako ng ayos doon. I'm gonna get ready because sunod-sunod na to. Ito na yun. Ito na yung pang get ready ko hanggang sa mamayang gabi. I don't think makakabalik ako dito sa makeup table ko to get ready again. So ito na yun. Ang ganap today is after ni Ayla sa gymnastics, I will take her with me to go to T3 Plaza. My goodness, apaka-busy na ngayon guys. But so we will go to T3 Plaza kami ni Ayla. And then mamayang gabi, pupunta kami kina Mers. So ito na yung pang-ready natin. I will just put on my serum. Hello! Didi. Sipuri Scalpy Hair Serum. This is my scalp serum every morning.
Mama.
Hi, Dee. You guys, I'm back. I'm ready. Pagdating ni Ayla, diretso na kami alis. Tulog din si Indy. So, sana tulog pa din siya pagdating nila. It's currently 10:52. Siguro darating sila mga 11:20, 11:25 and then alis agad kami ni Ayla. Na-ready ko na yung mga gamit sa car. I-ready ko na lang yung bag ko. And then okay na tayo. Pero, before tayo umalis, i-unbox ko muna yung accessories ng aking bagong camera. Ako na talaga ang bumili ng camera, guys. Look. So, I unboxed the main camera yesterday. I-insert ko yung clips ngayon.
What?
Okay. So that's the main camera. I have the accessories here because I got the creator bundle. Is that what it's called? Yeah, creator bundle. Tinry ko na siya kahapon. Okay naman yung mga clips niya. And gusto ko siyang gamitin today para lang masanay ako. So bakit ko to binili? Naghingalo kayo. Nag-seizure kayo as in nanginig talaga kayo nung nandun kami kinamanay. And I took it as a sign na yes, bilhin ko na to. Matagal ko na siyang pinag-isipan. Nakita ko siya, siguro end of November ko siya nakita. Tapos lagi na siyang lumalabas sa FYP ko. I wasn't looking for a camera, pero yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya is it's waterproof. And mga trips kasi namin is puro kami nasa pool, sa beach. So sabi ko ay maganda yan. Kasi yeah, may DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This one pala. Doon ako. Nandito pala kayo. You guys are good. Quality is good. Quality is definitely better than this. Pero kung nasa beach kami, sobrang kailangan ko siyang alagaan. Minsan nga hindi ko na siya nilalabas. Phone na lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi the sand can go into you guys. And mahirap lang talaga siya. Marami akong videos na napanood na nagpa-convince sa akin na yeah, I'll look into it. So, I started looking into it and sabi ko, ay, parang hindi ko naman kailangan. And then, yun nga, yung night na nag-seizure kayo, yun yung time na sabi ko, kailangan ko na siyang bilhin. Just in case, masira kayo, kasi hindi ko na alam kung kailan kayo ulit aatakihin. Meron pa naman akong isa. So, yung isa, dadalhin ko din na DJI Osmo Pocket 3 din. Tapos, yeah, I got this. I finally got it. Tapos, nung nakapag-decide na ako na bibilhin ko siya. So, nagda-drive kami from Mount Gambier pa uwi na. So, yun yung time na may time ako mag-check sa phone ko while Dan was driving. Hindi ko siya mahanap, guys. Hindi siya available sa JB Hi-Fi. Meron siya, but hindi siya available agad-agad. It's available to ship, pero ship from 30th of December basta or like late na. Nakita ko siya sa Anaconda. Anaconda is a shop where they sell yung mga pang-camping, yung mga pang-outdoor stuff. Merong isang natira. In-order ko agad-agad, tapos i-pick up na lang namin. I got a refund straight away. Kasi siguro wala talaga silang stock. Parang naiwan lang nila na merong isa sa system, pero wala talaga silang stock. So, in-order ko na siya. Happy na ako. Walang nagda-drive si Dan. Happy na ako kasi naka-order na ako. I-pick up na lang namin. I got an email straight away refunding my money kasi wala na pala silang stock. So, todo hanap na naman ako. Lahat walang availability in store. Puro kailangan i-ship. I got this from the Good Guys. Luckily, meron silang available. Again, not in store but to ship. So, I ordered it on the 8th of December, which was a Monday. Yun nga, nung nagda-drive kami pabalik. And then, it will be shipped daw sa bahay namin ng 10th, which is Wednesday. So, sabi ko, ay, bongga yan. In-order ko agad. Pero dumating siya, kasi nga sobrang busy na ngayon, dumating siya kahapon lang instead of Wednesday. But still good. I still have it. So let's unbox the remaining accessories. Marami siyang accessories na kasama pala. Meron siyang pivot stand. Yung gusto kong i-open is yung... Yan ba yun? Yeah, yan ata yung gusto kong i-open, yung pivot stand. Meron din siyang tripod, but I don't think I will be using a tripod. So, magnetic kasi itong camera na to. Itong maliit, nadi-detach siya. Itong maliit, magnetic siya. And then I realized, hindi pala kami ganun kadaming magnet. Akala ko itong sliding door namin, magnet siya. Hindi siya nagmamagnet sa mga panels. Nagmamagnet lang siguro. I'm not sure. We'll try. Nagmamagnet ka ba dito? Hindi ko to tinry. Hindi nga din. Yeah, hindi siya nagmamagnet dyan. Nagmamagnet lang siya sa fridge, hindi din sa oven, hindi din sa sink. Itong paa ng aming table, nagmamagnet siya. Narinig nyo yun? Ayan na siya, oh. So, tanggalin mo lang siya. See? It's strong. Yeah, so sabi ko, kailangan ko nung stand. Kasi wala sana akong planong ipag-open tong mga to ngayon. Pero gusto ko nga siyang i-try. Meron kasing padikit-dikit to na pwede mo siyang idikit sa... What's this for? Alright. So pwede ito sa car. Okay. So you need the... So kailangan, syempre ito. Magnet din siya. Una, dumidikit na siya. Ayan. Parang may nakita akong video na pwede... Wait some guys. Ay, ngayon pa talaga natin ito okay. Dumidikit siya dyan. Alright. Ayan. Yan yung nakita ko. Tapos ito, pwede mong dikit kung saan-saan. Oh my gosh, I need to look this up before ko pagtatanggalin tong mga to. Only use the sticky base on clean, dry surfaces. Press down hard during application to affix securely. Close the cover after use to prevent the sticky base getting dirty and losing adhesiveness. So, ano to? What are these? Meron siyang camera logo dyan. So, kung hindi man siya didikit sa magnet yung camera mismo na ang liit-liit na, ito yung pwede mong idikit. So, mga ganyang shots. Mga ganyang shots pataas kung ano-ano.
I want my horse snacks.
You want your snacks? Yep. Which one? Both of them?
All of it.
Okay. Here you go. You're welcome, baby. How was gymnastics?
Good.
Good, that's good. I was gonna use my camera. The new one? Tingnan mo, nagkadikit-dikit na.
Why are you having two?
Try lang natin.
Just in case the other one breaks?
Yes, baby. Just in case the other one breaks. Alright, let's see. Nandito yung camera, diba? Tapos meron siyang screen dito. So, nakikita ko pa rin kung ano yung film. Ay, galing. Ooh! Alright, let's film that. Did you learn something new? No? Dito na kami guys sa Big W. Dito kami sa pang baby. Kailangan namin bilhan si Indy ng bagong... Ooh, there's a glow in the dark one. Bagong CP cup. Do you wanna get that one? Oh, there's this one. You save $3, but it's broken. We just need something like this. Do you wanna get her that pink stitch one or
Yes, we're done.
that one? Sige, yan na lang. Wala na eh. We don't really need a glow in the dark one, do we? That one's cute.
But once we lose one.
Oh, we won't lose it. That's okay. Yeah, we'll get this one. That's fine.
Or we can
Maganda yung V-Bucks kasi spill-proof.
Mom, this is the
Spill-proof.
same color.
Here, baby, hold it. Ang busy, guys. Sobra. Yes. Do you have a small bag? There you go,
I
easy.
want to get it out. Wait, can I see my dad? Nah,
Yeah.
like that?
How about this? Do you like this? The cinnamon roll?
Yes.
Oh, look at this babe.
Why did you stick some? Yeah, I want that.
Gusto kayong i-test ng i-test. Kaya ang daming tao. Nakakahiya pa din. I'm looking for...
Can I sit here?
I wanna see if it's bigger. 4 or 6. You can, yeah. You can sit there. See, that's... No, no, it was already open. No, that looks big. We are off to our car. Ang layo ng pinarkingan namin guys kasi sobrang busy. So let's test the audio. Kumusta ang audio dito sa labas? Huh? Oh my goodness, that was hot you guys. Hot.
Mommy, why did we see the cars?
Oh, we saw a viewer. Sabi niya, simple rice. Nag-hi siya kay Ayla. Nahiya si Ayla. Sabi niya, bakit nag-work dito ang guys? Bakit hindi sila sa Philippines nag-work? Yes.
Do you know her name?
Oh, I don't know her name. We didn't get to ask. You should have asked. You got shy. Next time, don't forget to ask, okay? So we can give them a shout out. It is 2:17. I don't remember what time we got here. But it's 2:17. Siguro we were there for 2 hours and a half. Did we, Ayla? Maybe 2 hours. Yeah, but we got everything that we need. Yay!
Mom, where's my camera?
Your camera? Oh, here. I think it's here. I need to get it later because I can't see and I can't reach. We're home. 2:38. Alright. Oh my gosh, we haven't eaten. Well, I haven't eaten. Ayla ate her snacks. I got this for lunch. It was way too busy. There's no way we're sitting down and like eating there. It was way too busy. I got it from Dumpling Chef. Yep, in a takeaway. What do you want? You want your blueberries? Oh,
She's gonna take the blueberries.
yeah. No, water maybe? Does she need water?
No.
I got these ones. They're called Money Rocket. I don't know. I forgot. But it's chicken and prawn. You want to try some? Good.
That's all.
You want this too? Mm. Oh, you can eat this day. The softer part. Guess how much?
What is it?
For Ayla's camera.
$5.
3.
How many you get? I'm gonna hang out and look at some shorts for me. Didn't have time yesterday.
Lumalaban talaga itong aking day. Come here. Sabi ni Dan, tapos na ito kumain. Ang dami na daw nitong nakain por buyag, pero tarawan niya. Tingnan niyo. Here. Buyag. Malambot yung nandyan. Yummy? Are you going to Kmart now? You going now?
Yeah, at the same time.
With Alo?
Yeah. Okay, tomorrow I gotta take him to swimming and the mum's afterwards when I have time.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm completely booked.
Uy, too big!
Too big.
Too big! Look at this girl. Too big!
No toy.
Leave it down here.
Babe, no toy because Santa's giving you a lot of toys, okay? If you want it, take a photo. We'll give it to Santa, the photo, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Good listening, boy. I love you. Oh, you didn't give me a hug.
Okay. She's coming.
Love you. Oh, you okay? He hit his foot on my nails. He was running to me. Here, my toenails. Oh shit! Is it bleeding?
Yeah.
Do you wanna see what mommy got? You wanna see? Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Guys, $3 lang to. So may camera sa Ella, diba? Tapos merong thermal print paper na available sa Kmart at saka sa Target. $3 lang. I was expecting like mga 5, 6, but that's only $3. We got Indy this. Kasi yung milk... Yeah, that's for D! Yung milk bottle niya, wala nang takip. Kasi nung nalaglag, lumipad yung takip. Lagi ko siyang binabalik tapos hanggang sa nawala na talaga siya. But okay lang kasi nandito lang naman kami sa bahay. So, yun yung pang milk niya. Now, na we're traveling, we need something na may takip. So, yan. B-box pa rin kasi spill-proof yung B-box. Maganda siya for travel. I got this outfit for D. Para meron siyang pang extra just in case anong mangyari dun sa dress na yun. So, I got this set from Target. So, top at saka shorts na white. I'm not sure about the shorts. I think it's gonna be a bit big or maybe not. But, yan. Pinili ko yung presko. And then I got swimwear, guys. Kasi sabi ni Ayla, maganda daw. And tinry ko. Ang ganda nga. Ano ba yan? Sabi ko, ang dami ko ng swimwear doon. Kailangan ko lang i-go through. But tinry ko to. Ang ganda. So, I got 2 in different colors. So, I got it in red or it's actually like parang burgundy at saka blue. Ang ganda nung blue. High-waisted din siya. And that's all I wear now. High-waisted na mga... Oh, I got this from Big W. So, last time nagpunta tayo doon, pinilan ko sa Indy ng sandals. And then, na-realize ko, wala siyang chinelas na pang beach. Alam mo yun, yung pangkalma-kalma lang. Ito, $3 lang. So, binili ko. Come here, Day. Ay, yun, tinanggal ko na lahat. Day, look. Come here, try it on. Gusto mo tong nagsusuot ng mga ganito. And then, binalik ko yung swimwear ni Ayla na size 4 kasi size 4 yung kinuha ko, diba? And pinilitan ko ng size 5. Ito, pinatry ko talaga sa kanya sa fitting room nila. And it fits. Tas ito din yung print na gustong-gusto ko sana makuha dun sa kabilang Big W. Wala lang nung size ni Ayla. And I got 2 for Indy. Marami na siya, guys. But just in case, alam mo yun, mas okay nang may sobra kaysa sa kulang. Yung mga ganitong outfitan, kasi nagpapalit si D ng maraming beses. Yun lang. Alright, D, try this on. Come here, D. Come on, sit. Yeah, sit down. Sit down on the floor. Like that. Good job. Size 4 yung kinuha ko na to. Same size ng kanyang sandals. Pero bakit parang parang shikit. Hala! Does it fit? Oh no. Yeah, hala. Pasok! Hala! Pasok, hala! Oh, so cute! Oh my gosh, Dad! This is gonna be your pool. This is gonna be your resort slippers. Look! Hala! 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 Alright, all done. Go try it out. Try. Oh my gosh, slippery, D? Oh no, slippery. Uh-oh. Slippery or okay? Gaga? Parang slippery. Pero lumalaban ang ating day. Ah, so cute! Hindi so cute!
Ayla, we got the right size for her.
And mommy ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yes. And the ready? Yes. No, I need that. Everybody. Molly, look, there's three daddy.
Hello. Ready.
What?
Daddy ready.
Daddy ready?
Yes.
And Alan, look, Mom, if you do this, there's three daddy.
What up there?
If you do this, there's three daddy.
Oh yeah. It's got some effects. So we are off to Mer's house.
Just turn on like that.
I wanna
Another one.
use this camera for like shots in the city. I'll see what it looks like. I think it's gonna look really good.
What do you mean shots in the city?
Just buildings. Huh?
No, we're driving through the city.
Ah, where are we driving to?
I don't know if we're through the city.
Will there be buildings?
Oh my god.
Gamitin natin to.
What do you mean like buildings?
Kamera natin. No buildings?
Can you see?
Or like, what do you mean buildings?
I don't know, just tall buildings.
Unless in the city, no.
Oh wow. Indy likes it, guys. She wants to join.
Did she get another nap in or not really?
Nap? Yeah, she did. Yeah. So Ayla, yours is for Holly, both, and then for Rika. Hi.
Pizza. Oh my goodness.
I'll come with you.
You didn't have to do
Okay.
that, guys.
It's alright.
It's a
Hi Ben.
Let me just try to bring some of the
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. Hi. Merry Christmas. Oh wow. Holly, this is for you, babe.
Holly, this one's for you. I
Aww.
exchange gift.
Oh, diba? Unexpected exchange gift. Nag-exchange gift. Wala pa sa plano, guys. Walang usap-usap na ka-exchange gift. Ate Holly, this is yours.
Oh, thank you, Harley.
What do you say, alo?
Gift to Ala.
Rika, did you say thank you?
Aww.
There you go.
Guys, it's 10:33. Pauwi na kami ng bahay. Daan daw kami ng city para na makita ko yung building. Sabi ko kanina, i-film ko yung building ng city. Wala pala kaming building na dinaanan. Sabi niya, daan tayo yung city ngayon. Maganda din, matry natin yung ano ng camera ko, yung night mode ba. Supportado niya ang gastos na to. Kapag mga ganito kasi na, alam mo yun, mga camera, okay na siya. Bilhin mo na. Baka mawala din.
Daddy, do I have swimming tomorrow?
No, just Arlo.
Do I have gymnastics tomorrow?
You'd have
No.
gymnastics till next year.
Then what do I have tomorrow?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yes!